All right, so hopefully you read the directions and you went to take your working with fractions checkpoint and you have done that. If you have not, please stop the video, go and take that test. That is your number one job today. If you've already taken that test, then you're going to pull out your workbook and you're going to open to page 52. And you're just going to record with me. I'm not going to make you pause and do anything on your own today, but you do need to be recording with me. We're just going to work through this one page because I know you did a lot of hard work on that checkpoint today. So, let's get started. So, a geoboard is this pegboard and it usually uses rubber bands, but we're virtual, so we're going to have it on paper. So coloring in a half of it, you have a lot of choices. You can go straight down the middle like this. You could have went this way, but there is our half. Okay, coloring in 1/4, so we need 4 equal sized pieces. Fourths are easiest to draw that way. And we are only going to be coloring in one of those. These lines might be a little hard to see, so let me get a marker real quick here. I'll go back over that. So actually probably even better as a highlighter. So here was our line. There's our 1/2. 4 equal sized pieces. And coloring in one of those. If you don't color in the group, then you just have fourths. You don't have 1/4 modeled. All right, so 3/4. We need 4 equal sized pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to color in 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Remember, your whole job for this video is just to be recording what I do. So make sure that yours is looking like mine. If it doesn't, pause. All right, so now we need 8 equal pieces. So here's what 4 equal pieces looks like. So we're going to need to make more of them. So here's 4. We need 8. And now we have them. So coloring in one of those pieces, right? Not just one little box, but one of those groups of 8. So we have 8 again. There's 4. And now there's 8. We're going to color in 2. 1, 2. All right, last one for the coloring of the 8s. Here's 4s, 8s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, switch back over to my pen here. All right, we're going to add the following fractions. So we have 1/2 and 3/8. Well, I know we can half an 1/8. So I'm going to put 1 and 4/8. Remember, because we can't add denominators that are different. They have to be the same. They have to have those common denominators. And then 3/8. So we bring over our 1. And we have some number of 8s. We have 4, 5, 6, 7. And since we left our numbers mixed, we actually don't need this last spot. If we would have turned them into improper fractions or something different, then we would need that last spot. But we don't. We just left it the same. So 2 1/4 plus 2/8. Okay, so we have different denominators. We got to make them the same. I know if I multiply 4 by 2, I can get 8. I got to write really, really small because this is a tiny little space. So we have 2 and some 8s. We have 2/8. So 1 times 2 is 2. You're going to see on your post-test problems that look just like this. I have a fraction and then equals blank line plus blank line equals blank line. This is what it's wanting you to do. Show those equivalent fractions followed by the answer. So just to get you used to that, this is what your test is going to look like at the end. So looking at that fraction first, we know we've got some 8s. So 2 plus 2 is 4. And then 2 plus nothing. So we, again, don't need that last line. All right, last one here. So 3/4 minus 2/8. We have different denominators. We need to make them the same. So I can times it by 2, do it to the bottom, do it to the top. So now I have some number of 8s minus 2/8 equals some number of 8s. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. How are you doing? How do you think you did on your test? A lot of this stuff should be, well, not a lot. This and this are repeated. All right, let's do your ratio table costing here. 5 pounds of apples cost $8. Use the ratio table to help cost for 9 pounds and 11 pounds. And you don't have to use all the space. So we need 9 and 11. Okay. Well, if we double this, that'll get us to 10 and 16. But we need to figure out 1. Because we need 1 more than 10 and we need 1 less than 10. So one thing we could do, right, because this isn't a number that we can half all the way down, so we can draw out those 5 groups and figure out how to pass out this money. So I know I can't do $2, but I can do 1. It's not a very good S. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 8. I took away 5, so I still have $3. Let's see. What could I do with $3 in 5 spots? Let's go. What if I gave everybody... Oh, I can't do everybody 50 cents. Right? Because there's $1 and here's $1. That would leave us 50. Oh, I can. Let's do that. So 50 cents for you, 50 cents for you, 50 for you, 50 for you, 50 for you. So $1, $2, and 50 cents. So that leaves me 50 cents. And now I can do 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 10, 10. So 1 is $1.60 because I have $1, 50 cents, and 10 cents. So now I can figure out 11 because I can add them. So now I have 60 cents and $17. And then if I subtract them, I can get the $9. So $16 minus 160. 0 minus 6, I can't do that, so I have to go over here and borrow. Now I have 10 minus 6 for 4. 5 minus 1 for 4. And 1. 14.40. Alright guys, that is all you have to do today. So if your paper looks like mine, this is what you're going to take a picture of, or similar to mine, I guess. You don't have to have purple up there, but then that is all you need to do today. You guys worked really hard on that checkpoint. Super proud of you. So take a picture of this and take a picture of your checkpoint work and turn those in, and I'll see you tomorrow with some more. Bye guys.